get ready for YouTube video. Pom pom. Now seriously, let me get ready to take some YouTube videos. So first, tripod out. And then a camera out. Should I change the lens? Maybe I'll fly the drone later on. And first of all, I want to wish you guys a happy Year of the Tiger. I hope you guys have a lot of energy, a lot of health, all from Tiger. So with the energy from Tiger, I'm so excited today because in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 3 products. PGYTECH OneGo shoulder bag, 6 liter, 10 liter, and also sling bag. First, let me show you guys the OneGo shoulder bag, 10 liter. And I have been carrying around OneGo shoulder bag, actually 6 liter more because it's a little bit smaller to cafe, gallery, and also out in the open air like here. So let's take a look in more detail. PGYTECH OneGo shoulder bag, it comes in nice clamshell design, and the zip goes all the way to the bottom, so you can open it right up and see everything. So here you can see how spacious it is. I even have my Mavic Air 2, even a remote for my Mavic Air 2. And there is a pocket here, quite stretchy. And inside the 10 liter bag, you have the hard shell case here. Actually, the perfect item for the hard shell compartment is inside the hard shell, you do get the battery pockets and also an SD card slot. These 2 pockets have magnets and it comes with the magnetic badge. Very convenient as a wrench. Wow, I have not even shown you guys everything in 10 liter. 10 liter is humongous. So here there are more pockets here. I have put in the power bank here and you have 2 pockets for that. And also anything important such as passport. For me, I have some sweets here. And there is a little magnetic pocket here for easy access. And of course, the most important inside a camera bag is the removable or readjustable dividers. So these dividers, they can be stuck anywhere inside a bag for you to rearrange as it fits your need. Alright, so 10 liter bag can really take in a lot. So a little break time here, please. It is so good drinking hot water in cold weather. So now I have refreshened up. I'm going to show you what this shoulder bag has on the outer area. So in the side pocket on the both sides, you do get water bottle space. So here as well as here. Enough. And they've come up with very sturdy string. So if you do have water bottle, you feel like, it's not secure enough, then of course you can strap it further for further safety. So I've strapped it here and whee! There is an outside pocket here for easy access. So I have the lens tissue paper, and here on the outside compartment you get super duper big space. I've only brought the iPad mini. Here you can fit in 13-inch laptop. Last but not the least, there is a little magnetic pocket here. Usually I just put my mobile phone here because it's just so handy and it's still inside of the bag towards your body. So I feel pretty safe to just put in the mobile phone here. Little details such as the strap of the OneGo shoulder bag, it is attached to the back of the bag, so it leaves the front access to inside the bag completely unobstructed. And also the adjustable strap, it helps you to tighten or relax your strap really quickly. So 10 liter was absolutely humongous, but now I'm going to show you the little brother 6 liter. In terms of the size, can you see it is actually quite different. For me, I have been using 6 liter more because for like urban environment, right now it's countryside, but in urban environment I did find that 6 liter was definitely sufficient. But don't let this, there are dusts. But don't worry because this material is high performance PU coating, so it is water, dust and also scratch resistance. See? Very clean. So here, same clamshell design. You'd be surprised how many things there are. You see? Mavic Air 2, the RC controller here, Pocket 2 here, as well as an additional just sunglasses case to show you guys how much stuff can be fit in here. Here there are some additional pockets and a zip compartment for you to put in battery or even Rode Wireless Go mic and some other random goodies that I carry with me when I carry the drone. And it comes with additional strap for you to put in some tripod or umbrella here. And inside pocket, after putting all these, I can even put in an iPad. This is mini, but you do have more space, so you can put a proper iPad here. So after all this, let me just zip up to show you guys. Yes, you can zip it up very nice and clean with all this stuff inside the bag. And you do get the side pocket here, but yes, the bag is a little bit packed, so you might want those like plastic bottle rather than this metal bottle, but yeah, it can go in. Now onto my favorite. This is PGYTECH OneGo Solo. Super easy to carry around in whichever direction that you want. And you can even do this, which you can take off very easy. You just need to push inwards and then the magnet is off. But don't worry, if anyone tried to pull away, they can't, because you have to push it in, the magnet is off. And this is in fact 3-liter bag, and you might think this looks super tiny compared to OneGo shoulder bag 6-liter. So this should be able to take in about half the quantity of this shoulder bag. And already you guys can see I have PGYTECH Mantis Pod stuck here, so you can actually put in some little water bottle inside this outer compartment. And inside the zip, can you see the RC for the drone? And inside this bag you can carry Mavic Mini 2 as well as Sony Alpha 6400 with smaller lens detached. So just like the Go series, it comes with the divider, smart dividers, and inside there is a zipper. And in this compartment it is also very spacious. I do have battery and also the Rode Wireless Go here. And also there's another compartment if you want to put anything here, and also the magnet. In this compartment there is a little pocket, so I have external battery and also some money. And the flap is magnetic, very safe. And in terms of the zip, what I really like is how it can actually be pushed down into sort of this safety area. Here at the back of the bag there is 2 pockets, which you can put any goodies that you need, something maybe less important, something that you want very easy access towards. And I think this design is very sleek, and it comes in 3 different colors just with other OneGo bag. And I can definitely see myself using these bags for many years to come. So I'll definitely come back with another review telling you guys what I think about them after using it for another, say, 1 month. So please stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. And now I'm gonna go back just carrying this shoulder bag. And I have to say, right now a lot of stuff here, but it does come with a padded shoulder, so it takes off pressure off the shoulder. And I'll come back with other exciting videos, so see you!